Hey guys, it's Lee here again, and today I'm in Alresford, and guess what? Found a second level crossing in the Alresford area. Look, just look at it. Let's have a look at this one, eh? This one's got leads. That's what the back of the lights look like. Coach Road level crossing. Coach Road relay room. There's the barrier. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and a quarter weight. Hey. 700 kilograms that weighs. Heavy. That's the gross weight. Seems pretty cool. Someone's car alarm going off. Here's the relay room. Okay. Coach Road level crossing this is. They're off at the moment. There's the train station down there. So it's not far from Coach Road train crossing. So it seems pretty nice. The area seems good. Nicely treated, but the grass is going a bit yellowy because there's like no rain around here. It's just a nice sunny month, this is. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Here's when we're still here at Coach Road, okay? Bye!